What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello, Sharmila here. So nice to meet you. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. Today I'm so excited to share a review with you guys, and this is not just one product, I got a whole range. I have the L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert range with me. So this range was introduced to me by my hairstylist. So as you guys can see, I have tortured my hair a lot. I have dyed my hair brown. First means I colored it, then I bleached it, and after that I dyed it blue, which is green now. So you guys can understand, I literally torture my hair every day. I straighten it so much and I blow dry it, so my hair is, I don't treat my hair right, to be honest. So that's when I thought that I need something to take care of it, because like I was honestly not liking how it is. So that's when my stylist introduced me to this whole range. So I got the products off of Flipkart. You can do, I'll put a link in the description box. So the first product is of course their Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair Shampoo. This is of course their professional range, so it works, I mean I hope it works really good for me. And then their hair mask, which is a substitute for the conditioner. And lastly their wheat oil serum. So I've been using conditioners for a while now, but they don't really work out for me, because maybe because I like damage my hair a little too much, you know, after so much of straightening and blow drying. So that's when my stylist suggested that I should go for a mask, because it's more intensive and it works better, and it gives, you know, a nice moisture to the hair, which of course it lacks. So I am really excited to try out the products, especially the mask, because I have never tried out a mask before and I'm really looking forward to it. So without any further ado, let's get to the interesting part where I apply the product. I'm going to use them step by step and showing you guys how the results are, and let's see how it works. I'm having really good vibes, to be honest, because I know L'Oreal products are amazing. Like everything I've ever tried till now worked like magic for me. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the important part. And so guys, I just shampooed my hair using of course their shampoo, and I can already feel a difference. I really like how my hair feels right now. You know, the area which is bleached and stuff, it feels very nice now and it's softer. I'm very excited and curious to try out the mask. So now without any further ado, I'll get into the mask. So it is their Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair Mask, which I need some repair, you guys can tell. So let's see how it feels and how it is. Wow, it smells really nice. L'Oreal products actually never fail with smells. Everything I've ever tried from L'Oreal has such a nice smell. And you know, in a shampoo or mask, smell is a very important factor, because I like my hair when it smells nice. Wow, it's really buttery consistency. I really like it. So, now I'm going to show you guys how you can apply this. So guys, now we're going to apply it. So I'm going to show you guys the way my stylist recommended I should. So first you need to take a little bit of your hair, you know, section it into small section, and take some of the product and make sure your hair is damp. Then from the mid length to the ends of the hair, you need to spread it. I like to massage it a little bit so the product is, you know, spread well. Yeah. I can like see my hair feeling good now already. It smells so good, guys. Like my hair is gonna smell like a snack after this. Like this is what I want. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be, you know, applying it all on my hair, and we're gonna wait for 3 to 5 minutes till it's, you know, it does its magic, and I'll show you guys how my hair looks after 5 minutes. Guys, I just washed my hair, and after 5 minutes of applying the mask, and I can already feel it so much softer. It's shinier, and most importantly, it's detangled. My hair is always so frizzy and tangled, but this is the first time it's so smooth. Like you guys can see, I'm really surprised. So now the last step is a serum, of course, and I have the wheat oil serum. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty packaging. I love the packaging of the products. The golden looks absolutely stunning. So you just have to open the lock like this. It's like, you know, lock system. You can't press it until it's unlocked. So it's a really nice thing where you can carry it around in your bag or something like that. It won't have any kind of leakage. So I'm just going to be taking 2 pumps of it, and I'm going to be applying it all over my hair. I like to apply it in damp hair because I feel like it spreads more easily than in dry hair. So it smells so good. The whole range, every product, the shampoo, the conditioner, sorry, the mask and the serum, all of them smell so good. And now I'm just gonna let my hair dry and I'm gonna style it and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh my god guys, I cannot stop touching my hair. They are so soft, they are so detangled and they look so healthy. I'm shocked, to be honest. This is the first time I've seen my hair this healthy after I bleached it and dyed it. Basically after I ruined it. But I'm so happy that it looks so nice now. I'm so surprised by the results. I did not expect this, to be honest. I am in love with the products. You know, my stylist always used to say that why condition when you can mask. Now I get it why. And this is so easy to use. You can do it at home by yourself. Like, you don't need to go to the parlor or anything. You know, you don't need anyone professional for it. You can do it yourself and it's just so easy. Of course, you guys can buy the products from Flipkart. They are all available there. I'll put a link in the description box below. And that is it, guys. Like this video and do let me know in the comments after trying it out that how it worked out for you. And that is it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you.